I'm headed to Chicago's Hot River North neighborhood, to a location that's a block from a CTA Brown and Purple Line stop, and a short walk from a wide variety of bars, restaurants, coffee shops, and art galleries for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new, full-amenity AMLI 808. I'm in apartment 807, a convertible one-bedroom, looking at ceilings that soar up near 10 feet, track lighting, brushed concrete, exposed ductwork for a loft aesthetic. It's blonde plank flooring that continues throughout the apartment, turning into the sleeping area. Looking at an Ecobee programmable thermostat on the wall, ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet with custom organizers, and set up with extra bedding and towels. Looking through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller blinds, heading toward a very sleek one-wall kitchen. Since it's Sweet Home, it's kitted out with everything you're going to want to feel right at home and be comfortable in staying a while. You also have a goodie bag. This white tile backsplash, sleek self-closed cabinetry. You're going to find all the cookware, dinnerware, cutlery, everything you're going to want. Also looking at pendant lighting in the kitchen. It's a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave, dishwasher. Turning for a look at a flat panel TV. It's a home office desk. The bath has a wide vanity with a vanity with mirror and a frameless glass door shower. Looking back toward the entryway, closets with custom organizers again. You have both shelving, a lot of it, and hanging space. You get the entryway, you have a pegboard to hang your coat, and a shelf to set your keys on. There's a latch keyless entry system. It's an in-unit washer dryer behind the cabinet front. Very stylish package. Very comfortable. Great storage space for a convertible apartment. Building has a full suite of amenities, which should be opening shortly. And it's Sweet Home, so you know it's a sweet deal.